This is a quick review of Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes. Okay, I'm making pizza tonight, and I just opened my can of Bianco DiNapoli, and I'm telling you, I am totally blown away. The tomatoes look just amazing. Take a look at that. Incredible, plump, ripe, juicy tomatoes for pizza. But the most amazing thing is this. Every other time I've used tomatoes, they're packed in water. Look at this. It's like tomato sauce. I can't wait to use it. I'll give you a report later. But check out Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes for your pizza. It's going to be amazing. One more peek. And the pizzas I made using the Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes were simply incredible. I highly recommend Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes for any pizza you're going to make, or sauce, or any time you're going to use tomatoes. They are simply outstanding. If you're interested in using Bianco DiNapoli, go to pizzatherapy.com/Bianco, and I'll also put a link below this video. While you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.